Hey internet, today I'm going to show you how to set JavaPath. For that, first we need to go to my computer and we should check for properties, and in properties we should check for advanced system properties, and then we go to environment variable. Here we should check for Java home if this environment variable is available in our computer. Then we check for this path here, go to location, here paste it, and then check into bin if we have Java C. So here is the Java binary. If this environment variable is not available, we need to add this Java_home, and then after adding the path and variable, we should go to path and then we add Java home/bin, and then click OK, and click OK, and then to verify, check for Java if and version. So this is how we set the JavaPath, so that now it's available from command line in every tool. Yeah, thank you.